Hey fam, you don't have to be someone to start. You have to start to be someone. This is Rohan Asif, and our entire focus of today's video will be on social media marketing. As we are all aware, this industry is dynamic and challenging, and with each passing day, you have to overcome a new challenge. So, social media marketing is basically the production and distribution of social media content to engage with new customers and old. And so you have to be super vigilant while crafting your responses as well. The journey of digital marketer is incomplete without social media. So, starting off, the main focus of entire today's video will mainly be on three forums: Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook. I'll try to keep it short, crisp, and precise. So, one of the most common and most, I would say, popular platform in today's world for our youth and millennials, obviously. So, starting off, well, you need to have, I would say, a plan, a proper plan when you want to achieve your goal. So, it helps in crafting your strategy. Like, if you want to drive more traffic, you want to increase more sales, what's your goal? Apart from that, you really need to identify your target market, who you want to engage with, what's your relevant audience. So, you design and prepare content accordingly. For example, you want to target a particular geographic location or whether a particular segment of page that you really want to focus on. Create strategic content. Your captions and content should speak directly to their customers, and it should solve their problem. Like, they should get the value out of it, so it will be more relevant. You also should visit your competitors regularly and their followers, so you get to know what people like, what followers actually look forward from any post that you are currently targeting. Apart from that, engage meaningful activity. With that, what I mean is, like, I engage with meaningful activities. Like, for example, we often focus on like likes and the followers that we get, but our main focus should be on the post engagement. With that, I mean website clicks, shares, and DMs. How many people are inquiring about your product? All these relevant things that you can gauge is with audience insights and activity interactions. It will help you to analyze the post, DMs, shares, post saves, etc. Coming to the Twitter, 5 core steps I would be sharing with you guys. Twitter. First of all, lists. Lists are so important. Like, these are the many home feeds that can remove the clutter, and we can just focus on few top media channels, top media influencers, or relevant to your industry that will help you in building a network and create strategic content. And we should harvest those relationships and drive our content up from that. Second is freeway, that if you want to make a thread public, you have to, before the ad mark that we use to engage a tag in page, we could write any text or dot, so it's mainly public. And third is followers versus following. You have to follow back your followers so you can engage with them. It's best, so it's more than saying hello. Apart from that, branding and bio. Your branding, the Twitter banner is your prime real estate. You should focus more and it should tell what you do and what content you should create. Bio basically tells why people should follow you. So tweet away. Fifth, I would say the fifth and the most important tip for Twitter would be to tweet as much as you can, because of the nature of the Twitter. The nature of the Twitter is like, you have to post, the lifespan of a tweet is really short than other social media forms, so you have to tweet as much as you want, because for example, if you post something at morning, it's gonna hit different audience. If you post afternoon and evening, it's gonna hit different audience, so you have to be super vigilant regarding that. So coming to the last and the foremost, it's Facebook. To increase reach and engagement on Facebook, the best part is to share more videos, because Facebook reward and algorithms reward accordingly, and engage with the people who are already commenting. The last and the third and foremost thing that I would suggest is to post engaging questions. And yes, that's it. Facebook rewards user experience. So YouTube and these three social media platforms work differently. And for example, for YouTube, you don't have to post for these, they have instant nature and post gets died down after a while for Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Whereas for YouTube, the older content is, the more stronger, the more strategic, and the more influential it is. So that's about it. If you really like my video, don't forget to press the bell icon and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.